Welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess demonstration for restaurants. In this video, we're going to demonstrate some of the guest service and CRM functionality a restaurant can leverage to increase guest satisfaction and build a loyal customer base. I'm going to assume the guest service role for this demonstration. Here's a look at my dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard contains information specific to guest service. It displays shortcuts to key functional areas, reminders for key items to follow up on, and key performance indicators for understanding guest behavior. Let's take a look at a guest in detail. I'm going to use Global Search to find our guest, Aaliyah Rader. Global Search allows me to quickly find virtually anything in the system, whether it's a specific guest, transaction, or ingredient. Now I'll select Aaliyah to learn more about her. With this view, I'm able to see all activity for Aaliyah across my restaurant locations, assuming I'm capturing guest loyalty data at the point of sale. If I select the Sales subtab, I'm able to see full transaction history specific to this guest. And if I want to see specific items purchased, I simply click that tab. Next, I'll click on the Support subtab. NetSuite features case management out of the box. It provides a single, unified system to capture, manage, and report on all restaurant guest cases. With case management, you can open a case, assign, reroute, and/or escalate it, and track it until the issue is resolved. Case management includes reports so guest service and restaurant operations can identify trends and work together to prevent issues in the future. Now let's look at the Marketing tab. NetSuite gives you the ability to manage subscriptions and track marketing campaigns, either directly from NetSuite or another marketing platform like Bronto. And here's something really powerful you can do in NetSuite thanks to its unified database. Our company overcommitted on a ribeye purchase contract, and you're concerned that you won't meet your purchase obligations for ribeye. So you want to quickly identify all your guests that are meat lovers and send them a promotion. Since you don't actually track that preference, we're just going to look for guests who have purchased beef in the last month. In order to get this information, I'm going to create a NetSuite saved search. I can now quickly export this list for an outbound campaign. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.